Hello students, welcome to Tablets Part 6.1. In this video, we are going to study about large manufacturing processes and equipments which are used for the purpose of mixing. Okay, so mixing is an operation in which two or more than two components in a separate or roughly mixed condition are treated so that each particle lie as nearly as possible in contact with the particle of each of the other ingredient. So basically the objective behind mixing is, and also another objective behind mixing is to promote physical changes such as diffusion, dissolution, etc. So let's begin with, basically, for the purpose of mixing of powders, we have two different principles. The first one is agitator mixers. So agitator mixers like that of your rubber blender, then planetary motion mixer, whereas the second one is tumbling mixers like that of V-shaped mixers, Y-shaped mixers, cylindrical, double cone, etc. Ribbon mixer, as you can see, consists of a throw mounted on a stand. In the throw, a ribbon like conveying scroll is attached to the shaft. The ribbon may be continuous or interrupted. The shaft is operated by an electric motor. The throw is semicircular with a lid. It can be tilted on the stand in order to remove the material. When the motor is started, the material get mixed due to shear and convection. Two ribbons with opposite direction may sometimes are attached to the shaft. A mixture of high homogeneity can be produced by prolonged mixing even when the component of a mixture differ in particle size, shape, density, or have a tendency to aggregate. Basically, this type of mixer is most suitable for blending free flowing material of uniform size and density. Then talking about the next one, the next one is drum mixer. In this, a single drum rotates about the horizontal axis. The drum rotating on a horizontal axis separated into two halves, allowing the materials to be discharged cleanly and rapidly. No blades are required since a cohesion of the top and bottom of the drum and cleats provide adequate charged and mixing. Then the next one, that is cube mixer. This mixer is used to produce a homogeneous solid-solid mixing. Basically, it is based on moment with through its tumbling effect produces homogeneous mixing in shortest possible time. Then the next equipment is cone mixer. Cone mixers can be a single cone or a double cone. Then single cone works on the principle of agitator, that is mixing is done with the help of screw, blades or paddles, whereas in double cone mixer two cones are joined to a small cylindrical section. This is in order to overcome the slow horizontal movement of solid found in cylindrical shaped mixers. Then it is again based on the tumbling principle, that is, here motion of a vessel imparts movement to the particle by tilting the powder. For large scale batch mixing of powder, these mixers are used. Tumbling works on the principle of shearing and diffusive action of the surface. Basically, it consists of a metallic cylinder which is rotated on its horizontal axis. The repeated reversal of the direction of flow makes the tumbling mixture preferable. Uh, there exist difference in densities and particle size. Also, the speed or motion is important in tumbling mixers, and ideally it has to be in between 30 to 100 rpm. In tumbling mixers, shear force are low and end-to-end movement is slight. It can be overcome by including flight form of baffle, or by use of asymmetric vessels. The next equipment, that is Y-shaped mixer. It consists of an open top with an appropriate semi-cylindrical bottom. Within this toe, two horizontal blades with Z-shape outline, and this shape resembles to the Greek sigma rotates. Blade rotates in opposite towards each other direction at unequal speeds, which gives a pulling action. Then clearance between the blades and top is closed, which eliminates dead spot. The blade shape and difference in speed causes end-to-end movement. Machine is tilted to facilitate emptying. Use of highest plastic material can be done using this type of mixer. It is generally used for tablet granulation mass, for pill mass, and also for ointments. Then the next equipment is planetary mixer. The planetary type of mixer consists of an anchor type of paddle revolving in a cylindrical pan with a hemispherical base. The paddle rotates on its axis, and the axis also travels in a circular path by uh, round the mixing vessel. It is similar to that of movement of planet around the sun. The arms of the anchor provides pulling and kneading action, and also clear material from all sides of the corner of a mixing vessel. This mixer is specially designed for semi-solids like that of your paste and ointments. However, it can also be used for pill masses and tablet granulation masses. The thorough mixing machine is designed for thoroughly mixing of powders and paste. It is horizontal throw type of mixer with a single stirring arm. The stirring arm is removable, so that is it. It is easy to clean. Then the part surface that may touch the mixing material is made up of stainless steel, so that they are good corrosion resistant. The mixing though are automatically reversed for discharge, and the mixing time can be automatically controlled in this type of throw mixture. Then the next type of mixer what we have is Z mixer. Z mixer is very similar to that of sigma blade mixer. Then the next one, that is Dysona mixture, consists of basically a mixer bowl, then high speed mixer blades, high speed chopper blade, then pneumatic discharge port, mixed lead, also exhaust air sleeve, and mixer control panel. Basically, the machine has a stainless steel bowl containing 3 blade impeller and auxiliary chopper blades. The main blade rotates at the speed of around 150 to 300 rpm, and high speed chopper blades rotate at around 1500 to 3000 rpm. Dysona mixture or granulator gives more normal particle size distribution with lesser fines. The mixing time generally is 2 minutes, whereas granulation time is 8 minutes or less, and discharge time is around 1 minute. Then the next equipment what we have is Grail Mixture. It is modification of industrial planetary mixer. It consists of a mixing arm, bowl, chopper blade, then bowl cover, then hydrolytic discharge port, mixer control panel, and bowl elevator candle. Its principle and working is much similar to that of planetary mixer. Then the next equipment, that is little four large mixer. This is first high shear powder blender capable of rapidly mixing as well as massing of pharmaceutical powder and wet massing. The equipment may also capable of producing agglomerate granular particles that are ready for fluidized bed or other drying methods. The time that is required is generally 30 to 60 seconds and temperature rises from 10 to 150 degrees Celsius. It offers the advantage of mixing, massing, granulation in a single equipment within few minutes, whereas its endpoint is needed to be monitored. So, thank you for being with us. This is all the important equipments which are used for the purpose of mixing. Next video will be seeing the equipments which are used for the purpose of drying. So, thank you very much.